Alright, something different today, some rock trucks. And I'm not really too familiar with these. They're pretty cool looking, but I really don't know a single thing about them. Except your entire cab is offset, which is interesting. If anyone knows or anything about them, please comment or send me a message, because I'd definitely be interested in knowing anything. I'll try and look some stuff up, but you got your big front tires and suspension. And it's got the bed. Then alright, here we go up in the cab. It does have 2 seats. This one definitely looks more comfortable. You got your transmission shifter. Oh, it is a Mack. I can tell you that much. Your engine brake. There's your ignition. Yeah, this would be interesting to run. I've never run anything like that, or never really been around a truck like this myself, but it's a 10 cubic yard. Supply service maintenance vehicle, USAF, U.S. Air Force. Vehicle weight 32,000 pounds unloaded. Max payload 30,000 pounds. Date of delivery 12/15/1952. Interesting. It's a pretty old truck. See right down to the ground there. Clutch. Yeah, it's a pretty cool looking truck. We got another one sitting right over there. Oh, that one actually says Mack on it. Well, let me get down out of here. Maybe we'll go take a look at that one. Shoot real quick. Let's go take a look at that one, because they're pretty cool looking trucks. This one's got a higher bed on it. Horn. Oh, broken windshield, but other than that, it looks pretty much the same. Alright, there we go. 2 1950s era's rock trucks. Alright. Talk to you guys later. Bye.